Hello students, welcome to today's class. Now in this video we will learn about a very interesting poem, The Voice of the Rain, written by the American poet Walt Whitman. Now in this video we will do the detailed explanation of the poem, which includes the poet Walt Whitman's biography. Apart from this, we will learn about the introduction to the poem and the central idea that pervades the poem, which are very important for the understanding of this poem. At first, we will learn about the poet Walt Whitman, because without understanding about the life story of Walt Whitman and about his works, we cannot proceed with the poem. So Walt Whitman, apart from being an American poet, was an essayist and journalist. Like, he was an essayist, he wrote major essays, and he was also a journalist who worked for some periodicals. Now, he was born on 31st May 1819 in the place called West Hills, New York, which is located in United States, and he died on 26 March 1892 in Camden, New Jersey, United States. Now, when we talk about his collection of poetry, then the name which comes first, or which is notable, is Leaves of Grass. Now, Leaves of Grass, which was first published in 1855, is a landmark in the history of American literature, and it has its own story because it went through several editions, because Walt Whitman, he used to include, he had spent considerable amount of his life in rewriting and reprinting Leaves of Grass. And moreover, this particular collection of poetries also is surrounded with controversy, because once it was banned for Walt Whitman mentioned or included poems on sexuality and human body, which were highly criticized by the critics. Another important characteristic of Walt Whitman was that he was greatly influenced by the Romantic movement in literature and art. Now, the Romantic movement in literature and art was a movement in English history where poets like William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, John Keats, P.B. Shelley, Lord Byron, they were writing about nature, the simpler aspects of life, about individuality. So from this we can make out that Whitman might follow such kind of themes in his poetry. So from the name of the title of the poem itself, The Voice of Rain, we can make out that mostly the poem might be about rain, about its attractive aspects. So from here we can make out that Whitman was greatly influenced by the Romantic movement. Now, Walt Whitman was also considered as the father of free verse. So free verse, what is free verse? It is a verse which does not use any kind of meter patterns, rhyme, or any musical pattern. Moreover, the dominant themes that we find in Walt Whitman poetry are democracy, life and death cycles, individualism, nature, sexuality, human body. Now let us learn about the introduction to the poem The Voice of the Rain. The Voice of the Rain is a short free verse poem by the American poet Walt Whitman. Now it is a short poem. It only comprises of few lines, so therefore it is a short poem, and it follows free verse. So I already told you about free verse. Walt Whitman was the father of free verse. So free verse is a verse which does not follow any kind of consistent rhyme scheme or any kind of meter pattern or any music. Rather, it follows the flow of human speech. And originally this particular poem was published in the periodical called Outing in the year 1885, but later it was reprinted in the most famous Leaves of Grass. Walt Whitman also in this poem, it mainly personifies the rain. So what happened? What is personification? Personification means when we give some human qualities or attributed related to human beings to non-human objects or natural objects, that is called personification. So here rain is being personified, and the poem mainly shows an imaginary conversation between the poet and the rain. So it shows an encounter of the poet with the rain and how an imaginary conversation takes place. So and during this conversation, what happened? The rain mainly describes about its rain cycle, And by describing every stage of the rain cycle through that conversation, the poet actually shows his respect and reverence for the natural world. It mainly he talks about the restorative quality of the natural world. Now let us learn about the themes or the central idea of this particular poem. Now, the main theme reflected in this poem is the importance of the cyclical nature of rain and the restorative power of nature. So, here what happened in this particular poem, we find an imaginary conversation between the poet Walt Whitman and the rain describes its cyclic nature. So, it mainly talks about the process of evaporation, then condensation, and then eventually rain. So mainly talks about the cyclical nature of rain, which is very very crucial to for life on earth actually. So through that cyclical nature of rain, the poet actually mainly talks about the restorative power of nature, how actually nature nurtures life, how nature actually restores life, or how nature rejuvenates life. Now another theme which is reflected in the poem is the power of poetry. So just like rain, which is crucial to earth, poetry is also essential and crucial to humankind, and we will come to know about it in the poem.